it feels a little bit like there's no end in sight still.
As the nation continues to take steps forward after the COVID-19 pandemic, there are people still struggling with lasting impacts of the virus.
I was very active previously. I loved hiking and being outside. I was constantly on the move, and now I barely leave my couch. I barely leave my house.
It's called long COVID. Symptoms of COVID-19 continue for 4 weeks or longer after initially contracting the virus. Long haulers deal with shortness of breath, fatigue, brain fog, chest pain, and severe coughs, among other symptoms. Hannah Hortenbach developed cardiomyopathy, a heart muscle disease, after catching COVID. Almost 3 years later, she's still dealing with COVID symptoms.
That has been really difficult at age 30 to be facing those sorts of issues.
Patients like Hortenbach are sitting down with Yale health experts and Admiral Rachel Levine, the Assistant Secretary of Health for the United States Department of Health and Human Services, seeking support from each other and researchers for treatments.
We are working to advance supports and services for patients with long COVID, as well as the research programs that are so important to understand this chronic condition better.
Their stories are all similar, citing difficulties living their everyday lives, suddenly changed forever while the COVID-19 public health emergency ends in just a few months.
Right now, it feels like a part of society has just completely picked up, moved on, and seamlessly have forgotten about the pandemic. And knowing that I'm not alone in that has brought me a lot of strength as well.
Still with a lot of unanswered questions, patients hope their message gets back to Washington. A reminder that for some, the virus isn't going away.
Hearing them tell their stories is so meaningful. That helps us develop and drive policy as well as research.
The public health emergency for COVID-19 is set to expire on May 11th, but health experts say they'll continue to research long COVID long after that. In New Haven, Lindsay Kane, Fox 61 News.